This is our project on the Internet of Things, narrated by Maria.
This is the Internet of Things for EME 2040 Tech for Leading and Learning by group members Megan Durr, Olivia Smith, Luis Gomez, and Maria Leguillo. So, introduction to the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things describes all things connected to the Internet and ones that talk to one another, allows devices to share data, saves time, money, and emissions for companies, and allows for more relevant and responsive interactions with tech. How the Internet of Things is used in the classroom. The Internet of Things is used daily in modern classroom and allows students to study anywhere in the world as long as they have a device and Wi-Fi. And currently, students all over the world are experiencing this form of online education due to COVID. Many schools have gone to remote learning, and IoT have offered students the ability to study anywhere through online classes, allowing them to take classes through programs that they can access at home, such as this current course. IoT enables schools to have the ability to have smart classrooms in which teachers can give students better access to many things, such as personalized learning, streaming options, and lessons that can be given through each student's personal device. Teachers can also detect students' presence through using IoT in their class. Overall, IoT is being used very frequently in classrooms, more so now than ever due to the current world pandemic. IoT can improve education overall, allowing students to be better connected and more collaborative in the classroom. How it's used in the workplace. The Internet of Things is constantly changing the modern workplace. IoT has allowed companies to speed up the productivity and process of their business through connections between all of their devices in their offices. It has offered businesses easier and better access to security, and it's allowed businesses to set up security systems, such as Ring, that allow company owners to monitor their offices from anywhere at any time through streaming real-time footage direct to a smartphone. Delivery of business products to their consumers have also been improved by IoT through instant delivery and real-time tracking of purchases. Overall, IoT has enhanced productivity in the modern workplace, saving business time, money through integrating technology into their offices. The advantages and disadvantages of IoT in the classroom and the workplace. Advantages of using IoT in the classroom is giving students instant access to new information, makes learning more efficient, and allows students to access classwork from anywhere. The disadvantages in the classroom is that it can be a distraction and it can take students away from social interactions with their peers and can promote laziness in students. Advantages of using IoT in the workplace are the fact that it's efficient, saves time, offers them access to better forms of security, and it can save businesses money. Disadvantages of using IoT in the workplace are safety through information being able to be hacked, maintenance of device, and possible loss of jobs through technology taking over positions in the workplace. The future of Internet of Things. The future of IoT are smart houses and cities connecting and creating more automated devices through the internet to build more efficiency. Examples of this are Alexa and Amazon's Echo used in the home and being able to control lights and temperatures. And in the future, there may be homes that have automated fridges, locks, TVs, etc. In cities, IoT may be used for traffic light posts to control city meters for electricity and lights. Automations in cities will make them safer and more efficient. Advances to the industrial internet will be accelerated. In conclusion, the fusion of innovation is the idea that over time, an idea or product gains momentum and spreads through a specific population or social system. The result of this is that people, as part of a social system, adopt a new idea, behavior, or product. The IoT trend appears to be in the stage of implementation as automated devices have started to take over all facets of society. This can be seen with Amazon's Echo and Google Home being able to control house through voice commands, and many tech companies and businesses trying to strike deals to automate for efficiency. I knew nothing about this trend before starting this project. I had seen automation happen with devices like phones and even things such as fridges, but I had no idea the extent it was growing. I will use IoT devices in the future, especially if I can install them into my house. The reference page for the information throughout this PowerPoint. And the group roles, Megan Durr, which did the first slide in the introduction, Olivia Smith, which looked up the usages and advantages and disadvantages of IoT, Luis Gomez, who did the future of trend and conclusion for IoT, and Maria Legijo, who did reference format and group role slide. And the group roles, Megan Durr, which
And that is
did
the
the first
end of
slide in the
our
introduction, Olivia Smith, which looked up the usages and advantages.
And that is the end of our Internet of Things PowerPoint. Thank you.